Hey everybody, we just got done drawing Pillow Cat from
Gabby's Dollhouse.
Gabby's Dollhouse. This is the finished product. This is mine, this is Penny's, and we had a lot of fun with it. Did you have fun?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we're going to show you how we did it, so let's jump into it. Okay, Penny, you ready? What are we drawing today?
Pillow Cat.
Pillow Cat from Gabby's Dollhouse. So this is an exciting one. We love Gabby's Dollhouse. Pillow Cat, we're going to draw just from this side of the page over to this side of the page, okay? We're going to start with our Sharpies, okay? And we're going to start with just a big circle. Not too big, because if it's too big, then there won't be enough room for
Her
Pillow
feet.
Cat. Yeah, her feet. So we're just going to draw a circle maybe that big, not huge. It doesn't have to be perfect.
Okay, this is
Perfect.
fun.
I love it. Okay, and then now, as close as you can to that circle, okay, we're going to draw another circle. See how I kind of draw it really close?
So that looks like really like a pillow.
Yeah, it's like the seam. Whoa, that is really good. That was super close. That was perfect. Okay, now we're going to draw the two little cat ears. Just a triangle here.
That's easy.
And a triangle here. Whenever we draw like animal ears, we draw another little triangle inside.
This one's a little bit too skinny.
And
This
that's
one's
okay.
even bigger.
Yeah, I love it. Okay, now we're gonna draw Pillow Cat's big round eyes. So we'll do a big circle here.
Not too big.
Oh, that's okay. And then another big circle here. And then we'll draw the black part like this.
Like that's the part where you can't color in.
Don't color in yet though, okay? We have to do the reflection too. So we're gonna draw a little teeny circle like that, a little teeny circle like that, and we're gonna leave those little teeny circles not colored in, but we're gonna color in all the rest of that middle circle. Like that. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect. Ooh, yours looks way better than mine, I think. Okay, now we're gonna draw a little teeny cat nose.
I know how to do cat nose
Just a little
I just
it looks almost like an upside down triangle.
just a little bit more small
Yep.
and a little bit more.
And then the kitty mouth. Looks like this.
How I do like
And then Pillow Cat has 3 lines that go down from her forehead. But they're kind of like dotted lines because they're stitches from.
Oh yeah,
sewing
because
machine.
that's what a real Pillow Cat looks like.
So
That's what a pillow is really made of.
2 lines. Yep, you did it. You beat me. 3.
Actually, can I did it before you? Now we're gonna do a whisker.
No, we're gonna do a rosy cheeks.
Rosy.
Just 2 little circles, one right here and one right here. I kind of had to squish mine in because I ran out of room.
I did it.
Now her 2 little whiskers. Okay, there's one right here. Doop, doop. And another one right here. Doop.
I beat you.
You beat me again. Okay, now before we draw her long body, we're going to draw her paws.
Pause.
It's going to come right below her mouth here. It's going to be a big dip. Looks like that. And then another one like this, but you could try to connect it into the head. Nice. Now we'll pretend like there's a line going from the top of this circle, but you're not going to draw it. You're just going to pretend like it's behind that ear. See? So I'm going to start moving my pen, and then I'm going to lift it up so it doesn't color over the ear, and then put it back down, and then draw a long line. Same thing here. I start right here, I lift it up so I don't color over her paws, put it back down right here, and draw a long line. Nice. You can do that now. You'd either do a straight one. I like to draw a curved one like this. And you could do it again if you want. Just draw a curved one. Goes like this. Like that.
I can just color that.
Yeah, totally. It's perfect.
And
Now
by
you'll
the way,
draw-
that's good. I can like change that into like one of their stitches.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Sometimes when I make a mistake when I'm drawing, I change it into a stitch or I change it into something to, and then I pretend like I did it on purpose. So people don't know it's a mistake. Okay, you ready? So I'm gonna do another bump right here for her back leg.
Am I gonna connect it? Almost. Left.
And see, like I made a mistake here, but we'll fix it. And I draw another.
Oh, you're supposed to go like that?
But I'm gonna pretend like I did that on purpose. Because I know that she has stripes. I'll just extend the back a little bit.
That's kind of like a pencil eraser.
Yeah, you could do that too. You could go extend it and make it longer. Pretend like we did it on purpose, right?
Longer.
Yep, and I'm going to connect these two like this because we have our paint markers, and I'm going to paint over that, and it'll cover up those black lines. All right.
Oh yeah, so I can like cover up that little.
When we're coloring.
Thing.
Yep, totally. Now we're going to draw our tail. Okay.
That was easy.
And it's a little S almost. See how I made an S?
But way more taller.
And another S like this underneath it.
But a little bit
And
smaller.
then I connect it with a big backwards C.
That's not really what I do.
Perfect. See, you did connect it with a big curve, and it looks great. Now, on the back part of the pillow cat, we're going to draw another little one because that's the seam that's just like
Just
around her
pretend
face.
that you made a mistake.
You can fix mistakes totally, huh? All right. Now, we're going to draw the stripes.
Let's see that.
I love it. I love it. And we're going to draw the stripes. We're going to do...
Like kind of the same thing, like kind of like that.
Yep. And I make a big curve.
I just got it way more than you. We get even more skinnier.
Nice. And then now we're going to draw the seam. So around every single big solid line, we're going to draw dotted lines like this. In the front and in the back.
On everyone.
On every one.
So this will be easy. Come on, are you done?
You're already done. And then up the front of every paw, we're going to do two of them.
Oh, yeah, so that's like the little.
And then I'm going to draw some curves here.
Oh, sure,
Around.
sure, like, go, oh, yeah.
There's one stripe. See how there's a stripe like that? And then just one more one like that to make that part solid and this part solid. You'll see what I mean when we color it in. Okay?
Okay.
And there's our pillow cat. Yours looks so good. I am impressed. You ready to color it in? Okay, let's go. Okay, there's our pillow cat. Did you have fun? All right. I like how your pillow cat actually has more stripes than mine does. And that makes it so that your pillow cat can be more colorful. That's awesome. Maybe the creators of Gabby's Dollhouse will see that and be like, "Oh my gosh, her version of Gabby's of Pillow Cat is way good."
Maybe you should change to that movie and change into that.
Okay, well, thanks for following along with us. Give a thumbs up. We hope you had fun, and we will see you next time.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.